Welcome to ChiliPAC. This tutorial will be about the follow item or user feature. The purpose of the follow item or user feature is to get updates when there is activity with the item or when the followed user has done something new in the catalog. This feature enables you to find new reading recommendations and users with similar interests when you see what other users are doing, reading, or watching. To follow an item or user, you need to be logged into the catalog. To log into your catalog, go to your library's catalog and click on Login on the top of the page here. Then, log into your catalog with your barcode or username and PIN. Let's start with the Follow an Item feature. By following an item, you will be able to get updates in your profile's What's New timeline whenever any user adds a review to the item or adds the item to their public book lists or bookshelves. To follow an item, go back to your library's front page and enter the search term to find the item and click Search. Then, select the item from the search results like this. Go to Item Details page where you will see the Follow button underneath the Add to Book List and Add to Bookshelf buttons. Then, just click the Follow button like this. If you are following the item already, the button will show Unfollow. You can click the button to unfollow any item you are already following. Now, about Follow a User feature. When you follow a user, you will get updates on your profile's What's New timeline whenever the users you follow add a review to any item or when they add an item to their public book lists or bookshelves. To follow a user, you must go to the other user's profile, which can be accessed from various places within the catalog. This is described in more detail in the My Profile tutorial that is linked in the description below, such as by browsing public book lists and going to the creator's profile like this, or by finding the user profile in the Connections section on the bottom of the search results page like this, by looking up the user by their nickname in the Search User feature here, and other various places throughout the catalog. When you find the user's profile you want to follow, you will find the Follow button on the user's profile here. If you are already following the user, the button will say Unfollow. You can click the button to unfollow any user. Simple as that. To see the updates from your followed users or items, go to your profile page in the library's catalog by clicking the profile link on top of the page here and scroll down the profile page to find the What's New timeline section here. You can navigate to a particular item of the followed events by clicking on any event. You can also see the items and users you follow on your profile page under Items I Follow and Users I Follow here on the left-hand side of the menu of your profile page. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.